Good afternoon, everyone. So these are some of the tools I was missing that's on my required tool list. I bought all this stuff off Amazon. Right now I'm kind of desperate, so I bought the cheapest things possible, which it's gonna work. You got the 1/2-inch drive impact sockets right here. It's 3/8 to 1.25 inches. Right here I had to have a 1/4-inch drive set, so I bought this one. Same thing, bought this off Amazon. I bought this set. I thought it was a pretty good deal. It's both metric and standard. Same thing, I bought this off Amazon. It's all off-brand, but it's going to be enough to get me by right now. Thankful it arrived in time. Seems pretty decent, has a decent case. So that's for the metric. It's the 1/4-inch drive set I bought. It's from China as well. But right now I have to get by. Then I bought some little wrenches that I was missing. I got a 7mm 1/4-inch wrench. Got a T40 torque spit. And I was missing one of my sockets. It's 16mm 3/8 drive deep socket. I'm gonna do a complete tour of my setup once I'm actually in the shop and not on the streets. Show you guys everything on there. I gotta retarp this toolbox or ratchet straps on it while I'm driving. I noticed it's flopping, so I'm just gonna put some more straps on there. Just try to secure it down. This bed really doesn't have tie down points on it, so I just ran them back here. But this bed is so flimsy, so I don't want to really completely load this with everything until I'm ready. Hope you all have a good evening. I'm gonna get this stuff put away, locked down, secured. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.